What's up? Just a little heads up, the video that you're about to watch has a whole lot of complaining. I do complain a lot in this video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, check out all of our other content. This video is kind of long, it might be 2 parts, it might be one video just cut up. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, check out all our other videos and subscribe if you want to, of course. But yeah, that's what you're about to watch. I hope you know what you're getting yourself into. Well, my big camera's dead. It's charging right now though, but I figured while I wasn't doing anything, I got all the grass cut. I'm working on cleaning all this up out here. So I figured while I'm not doing anything, waiting on a phone call, I will walk around the place. And on this trailer right here, I think I left off, I had established that I did the sides. Well, I rebuffed this side. You can see where I stopped. This camera's kind of sucky. You see the difference in the two versus right there and right there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Brightness is so dim. Anyway, polished out this fender, going to all LEDs. Still got to wire it up. I'm gonna do something about all that. As far as the inside goes, I'm gonna reskin this door, because I will admit this door is pretty bad, and then these are gonna get repainted. Here's the inside. Got the air conditioner installed. Grandfather did that. Like I said, he's been the biggest help in all this. He did all the wiring on my blue trailer for me, and I pretty much helped. Watched. Yeah, I haven't done this side polish wise at all. And can't remember if I mentioned it in the last video. Yeah, I did. Shore power's hooked up and all that, but like I said, I got to repolish all this. This is coming off. All this is getting repainted. The neck and everything is getting repainted as well. Here's one of the lights that I added. The ground and all that, all the wiring is going to be redone. I ran it wrong the first time, so I'm going to redo it and run it right. See that? Yeah. And as far as the inside goes, the inside is the exact same. Well, I guess some people might want to see how the air conditioner works. This is how the air conditioner is. I'm going to put some trim around it and to seal the gap in. But yeah, it doesn't do bad. For what it is, it doesn't do bad. It came from Lowe's. It was $170. For $170, you cannot complain about that. It was like 500 square foot. Hottest days, it does take a while to cool, but that's because this roof isn't insulated, so it has a reason to not cool instantly like that. But yeah. And the big part, I got the roof painted, if anybody noticed that. Got the roof painted, got my, like I said, got the LEDs put on it. I'm gonna add them every foot down the side, so that'll look really good. Like I said, the front, I got window tint too. I got to tint all the windows and put mirror tint on them. And I'm actually in the process of looking for a hauler, like we're looking for a Peterbilt. So, but we have a day cab Mac, but it's not a Peterbilt. I want a Peterbilt. Yeah, I've been mowing grass all day. But I guess I can walk back here and show off the blue trailer and the plans for it. I got mad at these gates earlier and just went ahead and took them all up. Kept slinging back on the lawnmower, so I just did one of those numbers. Are the retaining walls and the saddle rack wall right there. I put them on a pallet back here. I gotta clean all this up, man. I'm gonna make this little trailer. It used to be a welding trailer. I'm gonna make it into like a little gooseneck rig so I can hook it up to the side, the Kubota, and move my trailers around. Because I do plan on getting more trailers. I got all my company logos and stuff in. Now all I gotta do is register as an LLC, and then it'll pretty much be legit, not just some little side job. Yeah, so I gotta have all this cleaned out, which is what I've been doing. And my grandfather's got to get some of his stuff and take a lot of it to the shop. But some of this stuff isn't even ours, like these fuel tanks right here. They don't belong to us. But oh, this is gonna be more trailer storage. That little light trailer's my grandfather's. This car hauler is my grandfather's, but you know. As far as the blue trailer goes, I like it, but everybody else hates it, thinks it's a piece of shit. So I'm gonna sell it. But whenever you buy something and redo it front to back, just for everybody to talk down on it, call it a piece of shit, just because they don't like it, it messes with you a little bit. So that's why it's sitting back here, waiting on a buyer. Yeah, it'd be just put it in my shoes, or think about it. You pay, say, $4 grand for something that you have been looking for forever, and you finally get it, and everybody talks shit about it 24/7 nonstop, and then it kind of changes your outlook on why you even bought it. And that's kind of what's going on with this. My grandfather and I put so much work into this, but apparently I'm the only one that likes it. So it shouldn't make a damn, and that it should be just me, because I'm gonna be the one pulling it. I'm the one that bought it. But if nobody else likes it, then what's the point in me having it? Yeah, you gotta look at it from somebody else's perspective, as if you paid a lot of money for something and then that you were really proud to own, and then everybody just came in and started talking down on it. Think about how that would make you feel. So yeah, I'm not trying to get all like sad or whatever, but that's just the truth. You know, you work your ass off to buy something that you've been trying to buy for months, and then you finally get it, and then everybody's just nagging and bitching and moaning the whole time. It was a waste of money. So yeah, that's why that trailer's sitting there, and that's why I got that silver one up there. AWS truck. I've been in the cornfield for all week, and then I stayed home to go and ride, and hell, we're not even gonna fucking ride. So could have been out there driving and making money, but I'm sitting at home. So yeah, all this right here is land that I used to ride on, or I still do ride on it. But the guy that lives in that house, the video, I don't know if it's still public or not. I privated the video because it started getting a lot of attention, and I didn't want to get it shared to him. So it might not even be on the channel anymore. Well, it's still on the channel. I might put it back up, but my neighbor started bitching one day, and I recorded, and I had my GoPro on, and he was acting a fool. And then a bunch of those Moto Madness and people started posting it, you know, with permission, of course, but it started getting way too much publicity. It's like, nah, can't have my neighbor seeing this. Yeah, he's starting to be a problem out here, even though he's renting from us, but he's almost paid off completely. So once he does that, if he was like this whenever he was renting, whenever he buys it, he's probably 100% going to kick me off of it, even though I used to live in that house. My parents lived in that house, my grandparents in that house, but that doesn't change the fact that he owns it. So I mean, fighting and arguing ain't going to change anything. I mean, if somebody will do that to you, then and don't care, then they will certainly not give a damn that you're mad at them. So little gnats. But yeah, so far this has been nothing but a video about bitching. But yeah, it was first we could ride from those vines, which are way up there at his house, back this way. And then he had a garden. We stayed out of his garden, lucky him. And then he pushed us on back. There used to be a barn right there. He pushed us back to the barn back. I was like, okay, whatever. And now you see this strip right here. He cut all that and pushed everything up to a burn pile and left all this over here. So what it's looking like is that we're about to have a damn war out here over a plot of land. But if he does want to do that, I'll bring the backhoe home and I will get my pile of dirt. He cannot have the pile of dirt, and I will build my own track in the pecan pasture over there. I mean, but I can't be mad at somebody for kicking me off a land that they own. I mean, it's like those trespassing versus, or those dirt bikers versus, or trespassing on other people's property. Why in the hell are the dirt bikers getting mad, bro? You're trespassing on land that you knew was not yours, and then you're gonna get mad because the owner of the land is mad that you're riding on it. I just found a spark plug out here. Yeah, that makes no sense to me. That's a good piece of glass right there. I could pop a good tube. A lot of glass out here. Yeah, I was going to come down here and disc up a new track, just because I can't lose my progress, and on days like today that I absolutely wasted, I can at least ride here and work on my turning and not have to worry about being in anybody's way, which is exactly what I want to do. And that neighbor was trying to buy that trailer off of me because I got them both on Marketplace. I'll put a viewer actually found them on Marketplace, and so yeah, so both of them will be in the description below, the links to the Marketplace. And we'll go over here and look at his trailers that he bought. He tried to lowball me on that trailer, big time lowball. I was like, nah, like he just straight up shot me some BS offer. I was like, I'll let you know, but obviously I'm not gonna let him know, because don't fall for low balls just because you have the ability to make cash money right then and there at that moment. Don't fall for it. You could get your actual your listed price for it, unless it's a reasonable offer, but not whenever it's like a shitty offer. Well, this thing's kind of a piece. Stock trailer. Oh, he got that from an auction number. It says no title on it, and that one just says double L farms. That's an old ass stock trailer. It's got rims on it from the 80s. You'll see a lot of these older horse trailers and stock trailers with like chrome center caps the size of the rim. 9 times out of 10 those trailers are going to be from the 80s, and they're going to be heavy as hell. Just a little something I learned. Yeah, I plan on getting at least one stock trailer because those sell really quick, and not everybody wants a full-on horse trailer with living quarters. Some people just want a cattle trailer, which is kind of what that is. But yeah, look at this grass, cuz. Ooh, cannot believe I didn't get that with the lawnmower. But yeah, like I was saying, I was talking about the horse trailer a while ago. I wasn't trying to be a whiny bag. It was just the way I actually feel about it. I mean, you work your ass off for something, you finally get it, and then everybody talks shit about it. And so now, look at, I love that trailer. I absolutely love that trailer. It's old. It just screams 90s. It's got the chrome on it, and it's got mine and my grandfather's time in it whenever we could have actually been doing something productive, but instead we were working on that. It just needs a good washing. I'd actually probably buy that trailer off of him. I'm sure everybody else would talk shit about that one. If I talk shit about that one over there, they'll probably kick me out of the house for owning that one. I like that trailer. It's old school. I like that. See them big ass rims on it? Yeah, see, something like that appeals to me. It just needs to be washed. That's literally all it needs. See that one? Perfect trailer, no rust on it. People hate on it. But you get the one that I have now, and everybody loves that one. Fucking floor falling out of it. Living quarters door barely damn shut on it. Back doors have holes in them. Yeah, keep that one. Put all your money in that one. Sell the other one. Remember, I got the silver one strictly just to sell. Yeah, but at the end of the day, I own it. It's my money, and I can do whatever I want to with it. Which again kind of contradicts why I've been bitching about the blue one, because yes, at the end of the day, it is mine and I pay for it, but it's still the fact that I care about what people say, when it comes to criticism and constructive criticism and stuff like that. I somewhat care about that. I have spent 15 minutes rambling. But yeah, back up here at the shop now. I gotta do something with this big grill. It's free if anybody wants it. This is gonna go in the trailer behind this door right here, facing downwards, and we're gonna have a switch somewhere in here. So it's for a loading light. if you look at a lot of horse trailers, they'll have lights on the ass end of the trailer, and it's really for loading. But yeah. And then once I get that grill moved, the trailer is going to be backed up to that door. And yeah, it'll just be closer to the shop and I'll have more room in the driveway. As far as the bikes go, nothing has changed at all. There's a Welker's Farm video playing on the TV. So I am going to go inside, eat my supper, and oh, got these doors insulated finally. So yeah, it's pretty neat. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside and eat. But yeah, just before you make fun of somebody for something that they own and something they care about, think about what you're saying before you say it. Because it's, you know, I mean, think about how you would feel if you bought something and then your folks started talking down on it. Just think about how that would make you feel for just a moment. And then maybe it'll make you rethink a lot of the stuff that you say. Yeah, this trailer's still a work in progress. It's also still for sale, but every little thing I do to it will make the price go up. It is also up for trade. I'm looking for at least a 2-horse with a living quarters, weekender preferred, and I will add cash if need be. So far, this is the longest video I have made in a while, so I guess I'll end it here. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. I know my beer looks like shit. Tired. I've been waking up at 5:30 every morning, except for this morning. Because like I said, we had plans for today, but yeah, if you are new to the channel, subscribe. 100% consider checking out the other videos, because this video is nothing but a whiny bag video and an update video. So yeah, I guess if you are new, check out our channel. And more motocross videos coming soon, hopefully sometime this week. So yeah.